Top 8 Best High-Capacity Revolvers for Self-Defense. 2025, Ruger Redhawk Alaskan. The Ruger Redhawk Alaskan is one of the most formidable compact revolvers designed specifically for maximum stopping power in close quarters. Chambered in the blistering .450 for Casul, this revolver delivers tremendous energy capable of stopping almost any threat instantly. What sets the Redhawk Alaskan apart is its rugged construction, built on a robust stainless steel frame that's engineered to handle punishing recoil without compromising accuracy. Despite its powerful cartridge, it manages surprisingly manageable recoil due to a carefully balanced design and an effective barrel length that controls muzzle rise. The oversized rubber grip provides excellent ergonomics and absorbs recoil, which is critical when firing such potent rounds. While it's built tough for wilderness defense and large game, the Alaskan's compact size also makes it a solid choice for serious urban self-defense. It's a revolver that commands respect and instills confidence with every shot fired. Taurus Raging Bull 500. The Taurus Raging Bull 500 stands out in the revolver world as one of the most powerful handguns available. Chambered in the monstrous .500 S&W Magnum, this revolver is designed for shooters who demand the absolute highest level of stopping power, capable of taking down dangerous threats, both human and wildlife alike. The frame is heavy and solid, built to absorb and manage the incredible recoil generated by firing such a massive round, allowing for surprisingly controlled and accurate shots. Its ergonomically sculpted grip ensures the shooter can maintain a firm hold, minimizing fatigue during extended use or rapid firing. The Raging Bull's iconic bull barrel not only contributes to its aggressive look, but also enhances shooting stability. While it may not be ideal for everyday concealed carry due to its size and weight, it excels in scenarios where ultimate power and intimidation factor are paramount. This is a revolver built for serious defense with a "don't mess with me" aura. Colt Anaconda. The Colt Anaconda is a classic heavyweight revolver renowned for its precision, power, and timeless design. Chambered in the ever-popular .44 Magnum, it delivers serious firepower with a smooth and reliable trigger mechanism, helping shooters achieve impressive accuracy. Its large frame and longer barrel length contribute to reduced felt recoil and better bullet velocity, making it easier to control in rapid-fire situations. The stainless steel finish enhances durability and corrosion resistance, ensuring it withstands years of use without losing performance. The Anaconda's ergonomically designed grips provide a comfortable, secure hold even in sweaty or wet conditions, critical for self-defense scenarios. Though it doesn't offer the highest round capacity compared to some newer models, it more than compensates with precise craftsmanship and consistent performance. This revolver is ideal for shooters who appreciate classic styling paired with proven power and reliability. Dan Wesson 715. The Dan Wesson 7815 is a versatile revolver that merges modern innovation with traditional power, making it a standout choice for self-defense and target shooting alike. Most commonly chambered in .57 Magnum, the 7815 is notable for its modular barrel system, allowing shooters to easily switch barrels to suit different purposes. Whether it's for compact carry or long-range precision, this adaptability enhances its practicality, making it a favorite among those who want one revolver to fit multiple roles. The trigger pull is exceptionally smooth and crisp, contributing to tight shot grouping and faster follow-up shots under pressure. Balanced weight distribution and a well-contoured grip improve handling and reduce shooter fatigue. The 715's craftsmanship shines through its tight tolerances and durable materials, designed to deliver flawless performance in high-stress scenarios. For users who want customization, reliability, and strong stopping power all in one, the Dan Wesson 715 is a compelling option. Charter Arms Pitbull. The Charter Arms Pitbull is an innovative revolver that pushes the envelope by chambering the popular .45 ACP round, traditionally reserved for semi-automatic pistols. Using moon clips, the Pitbull loads rimless pistol cartridges quickly and efficiently, bridging the gap between revolver reliability and semi-auto firepower. This unique design offers the user a blend of revolver simplicity and the capacity benefits usually associated with semi-autos, making it an intriguing choice for self-defense. Its all-stainless steel construction offers rugged durability, corrosion resistance, and the weight necessary to tame recoil from powerful rounds. The Pitbull features a comfortable grip that fits a variety of hand sizes, ensuring better control during rapid fire. Though it's heavier than many traditional revolvers, the trade-off is a high round count and impressive stopping power. It's ideal for those wanting revolver reliability combined with the practical benefits of semi-auto ammunition. Freedom Arms Model 83. The Freedom Arms Model 83 is often called the Rolls-Royce of revolvers due to its unparalleled build quality, accuracy, and sheer power. Chambered in potent rounds like .454 Casull and .16 S&W Magnum, it's designed for shooters who need a revolver capable of serious stopping power and exceptional precision. Every Model 83 is hand-fitted and meticulously crafted from premium stainless steel, resulting in a firearm that feels perfectly balanced and smooth to operate. The single-action mechanism boasts an incredibly crisp trigger pull, enabling shooters to place shots with laser-like accuracy. Its robust frame and barrel design absorb much of the intense recoil, making it manageable despite the powerful calibers. While it's often viewed as a collector's firearm, it's equally suited for high-stakes defense or hunting scenarios where absolute reliability and precision are non-negotiable. The Freedom Arms Model 83 is a revolver that combines luxury craftsmanship with battlefield readiness. Bond Arms Snake Slayer. The Bond Arms Snake Slayer is a revolutionary design that redefines what a compact defensive revolver can be. Chambered to fire both 45 don't rounds and 810 shotgun shells, it's built to deliver flexible firepower for various situations, from personal defense to wilderness survival. Its unique double-barrel configuration allows 2 shots before reloading, which is an unconventional but effective feature for emergencies. The break-on action facilitates extremely fast reloading and easy clearing of malfunctions, a major advantage under pressure. Despite its compact size, the Snake Slayer is surprisingly powerful, and its ergonomic grips provide excellent recoil absorption and control. This revolver is particularly popular in regions with dangerous wildlife because it combines handgun portability with shotgun stopping power. For those who want versatility and power in a small, easy-to-carry package, the Bond Arms Snake Slayer offers something no other revolver does. Colt King Cobra. The Colt King Cobra is a medium-same revolver that perfectly balances classic Colt styling with the rugged performance of modern self-defense firearms. Chambered in D357 Magnum, it delivers potent rounds with manageable recoil thanks to its well-engineered weight and grip design. The King Cobra's stainless steel frame resists corrosion and wear, ensuring long-lasting reliability in various environments. Its trigger is praised for its smoothness and consistent pull, helping shooters maintain control during rapid fire or high-pressure situations. The revolver's fixed sights are rugged and provide quick target acquisition, a vital feature when split-sec decisions matter. Comfortable contoured grips improve handling and reduce fatigue, especially for new or smaller-hand shooters. The Colt King Cobra is trusted by both law enforcement and civilians alike because it offers a blend of power, accuracy, and durability in a sleek, classic package that performs when it counts. Remember, choosing the right self-defense firearm means knowing your own needs and practicing regularly to build confidence and accuracy. If this guide helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite revolver or questions you want answered. Stay safe and stay ready.